Here it is, fresh off the truck, the Hot Wheels Custom 90 Honda Civic EF brick shop. Does say the hot ones on here. So this was really hard to get, but I was able to get this from Mattel. They did send out an email that it was available. Luckily, I was able to get one. And unfortunately, you got to pay that $8 shipping, but had no choice. So let's check it out. I think it's pretty hot because they picked the right color. It's just one of the cool builds. It's in that size with same size as the Speed Champions and the other cars like the S2000 and the Audi. Let's open it up. So I always recommend opening up the right side of this because this little thing here does slide out to the right. It might slide out to the left, but I've just been opening it up this way here. Let's see. Got some bags. As usual, these always come with two sets of wheels. So here you got the Volks in the bronze, and you got these white hubcap style wheels. And what's cool about this is you can mix and match with the other cars if you have any of the other sets. So if you wanted, you could put the white Volks on here from the S2000. So here is the little die-cast here model of the Civic. Pretty cool, simple, nice color. It's a really nice casting. Love that wing in the back. I do see the wing is also on the build. All right, so we got the manual. We got, let's see what it looks like, 5 bags. 5 bags. All right, I'll get started, and after bag 1, I'll show you the progress, and we'll keep going that way until we complete it. And if you guys wanted to check out the box real quick, I'll put a little quick video if you want to pause it. And here is what the custom one looks like if you want to put all the decals. So usually the decals are in the book like the other videos I've seen. If you want to go watch the other videos, but check them out, you can see all the other builds. All right, here we go. Bag 1 is done, and I got a little tip for you. If you're new to Lego or brick shop, I always use one of these on the shiny pieces, because if you got oily fingers or just fingerprints at all, this really helps shine down the pieces, especially before you build on top, because you probably won't be able to reach the pieces after you start building on top. So I do recommend wiping those down so you get a nice polished finish. All right, bag 2 and 3 are done. This is what we have left to build. Pretty cool. Tail lights looking pretty cool. You got the Japanese license plate. You can see a bit of the interior there. You can see where the shifter is going to go, where the seats are going to be built. Front end with the lip. All right, and these are all pre-painted, pre-designed pieces, which is cool. So you don't have to worry about lining up the pieces. All right, let's finish the build. We got bag 4 and 5 left. All right, before I finish, I just wanted to show the dash board. If you're into that, if you had one, check it out. It looks really similar. Sadly, it does get covered up once you put everything together. Put the steering wheel up, and the shifter does cover it. All right, here is the completed model. Pretty cool. Start with the wing in the back. Thought that was a nice touch, even though it's a little hard to line up. There you go. Nice little decals there. You can see these are already pre-applied from factory. You can see the Honda, the Civic, the emblem, the license plate. Pretty cool. And you got the little exhaust pipe. It does come with an extra one, so you could probably modify it somehow to put another exhaust pipe. I put the white wheels on one side so you can get take a look at that and see what it looks like from this side. This is a right-hand drive model. This does have the sunroof option. Here's the front end. You can see the hood, the emblem. Turn signals, headlights, pretty cool. You can see they even painted the rear view mirrors, put a little silver there. And here are the Volks wheels. Gotta say, pretty cool wheels. And which is cool, you can mix and match with the other cars. And these are all on the same scale as the S2000, the RS2, and most of the Speed Champions too, if you collect Lego. There we go. Actually pretty accurate sizing to scale, so that's probably what it would look like in person. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys were able to get one. Don't give up. Keep checking to see when the next wave comes out. This should be easy to get. I know the RS2 was a little hard to get in the beginning, but now they're pretty much everywhere. And the S2000 also, you can start seeing those everywhere, especially Amazon. And this should be available soon. All right. Let me know if you guys are building the custom or you guys are building this stock looking body.